Let's go. Boy, where are you? Okay, you're here. Oh, it's updated. Where? Wait, this is updated.
Where do you go?
I have no idea. Only Hacksaw can go through it.
Here.
I died.
Oh no.
Yes. Oh my gosh, that is the wrong way. I know. Where you died. What's all that shuffling? Yes, I got the first button.
Oh, dead.
Oh no, that's sad.
I'm Specky.
I'm so confused. Where? Okay. What the? Wait, this is Hacksaw.
I'm right.
What is all that shuffling, dude? Okay, I got the button. Boy, I don't like that tube. You are laggy. Where are you, Hacksaw? Stop hacking. You are going to get logged on my screen, you do. Oh no.
We're just gonna play Super.
Oh look. Yes. I got the button. I don't like this part. Mate, you are hacking. Where do I go? Oh, a short. Yay, yay. Where to now?
I have no idea.
So much people is joining.
Tosco XMO.
People, why are they joining? Do they know that I'm recording? They're aliens.
I saw your vector tweet.
Dabo is got tech button.
That's
Oh my gosh, that's a hacksaw button level. That's a hacksaw tube. Hate you hacking. Boy, why you do that? No.
I tried my best, but I didn't succeed.
I am the Steve. I must find the diamond and build a house. Wow, 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 wow. I am building a house. No!
I have found a diamond.
No, I has not found 10 diamond. Why you found the diamond before me, you hacksaw? You guys hacking.
When you try your best.
We don't succeed.
I spent so much Robux on the laboratory, but I feel like I didn't do much.
Mate. We have to go down here and then over here.
Like 4,000 maybe more.
Robux.
On just my laboratory. The rest was like game boxes and stuff.
Where to next? Analyzing mode. Oh, I'm stupid. I'm the Steve. I'm trying to go. I'm gonna build a house. Wow, 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 wow. I'm building a house. Oh my gosh, he said wow. That's awesome. No!
I'm a crapper. I would blow up your house and you're done.
No, 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 no. You won't, or else if you do, I will freaking rap you. No! Where to next, my boy? Oh my gosh, that's hacksaw level. How do we get up there? Oh, we swam. Crazy Blocks was here. We're going through a metal tube of into virtual reality or something.
I can see that.
Yes. Yeah. Yes! Oh my gosh, it's hacksaw level. Hacksaw. Okay, that's it.
Why they got a